Welcome to the Morningstar Investment Planning Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product are available in the description below. Morningstar's investment planning tool is a robust platform designed for individuals and financial advisors aiming to create tailored investment strategies. It leverages Morningstar's well-known research and analytics to provide users with detailed insights into portfolio performance, diversification, and risk management. Whether you're a novice investor or an experienced professional, this tool equips you with data-driven recommendations to optimize your investment plan. The tool starts by collecting your financial details, including current portfolio holdings, investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Using this data, it provides a comprehensive analysis of your portfolio's allocation, potential risks, and alignment with your objectives. One of its standout features is the ability to generate detailed reports on asset classes, sector exposure, and geographical diversification, offering a clear picture of where your money is and how it's performing. Morningstar's advanced analytics tools allow you to simulate various scenarios, such as market downturns or changes in contributions, to see how your portfolio might react. It also offers suggestions for rebalancing or reallocating investments to improve overall efficiency. The integration with Morningstar's proprietary ratings, such as star ratings for mutual funds and ETFs, helps users make informed decisions about which investments to include or exclude from their strategy. Another key feature is its focus on retirement planning, making it a valuable tool for those building long-term wealth. Users can map out retirement income strategies and evaluate whether their current savings and investments align with future needs. The platform's easy-to-use interface and detailed visualizations make complex data accessible to users of all experience levels. Morningstar's investment planning tool is ideal for investors who want to make data-informed decisions and professionals seeking to enhance client outcomes. With a combination of powerful analytics and user-friendly design, it's a one-stop solution for portfolio optimization and strategic planning. If you're ready to take control of your investment journey, check the links in the description to explore Morningstar's tool in detail.